Okay, guys, I just got my Ipod Nano from Amazon.com. It was free. Maybe I'll post a site if I'm up to it. So, as you can see, here it is. Came for free. I was like, no referrals were required. So some people like unboxing and stuff like that. I guess I'll do it. Whoops. Here it is. The Ipod Nano. What's this? Cool. Awesome. Okay. So let me just unbox the Ipod Nano. As you can see, it's got tape probably here somewhere. I probably just don't see. 500 songs? Wow. Okay, so let me remove this. Wow. This joint is small. Okay, here's the iPod itself. Then it is pretty cool, actually. Okay, so Wawa. Wow, who cares about Wawa? Okay, let's go. It's under it. Instruction booklet. This looks like a dock, I think. Earphones. And charger. Okay, so there's my Ipod Nano unboxing. And hopefully I can get to try it out soon, but I gotta go somewhere. So, thanks for watching. Okay.